Min and max attributes. Min and max attributes are restriction attributes that we use to define minimum value and maximum value that we can enter in some input field. Min and max are applicable only on numerical and date input fields, where min represents minimum value that we can enter in our input field, and max represents maximum value that we can enter in that input field. If we not follow that rule, we will get validation error. Next input field will be age input field, so let's rename this tile to age. Type will be number. Let's rename it to age field. And let's remove our pattern HTML attributes. For this input field, let's use min and max HTML attributes. So we will restrict our website users to enter values between 18 and 98 for this input field. So for min value, let's set 18. And for max value, let's set 98. So with min and max HTML attributes, we can restrict values that user can enter in some input field. So here it is. We have our age field, and let's fill out the rest of our HTML form. We'll donate $5 and tell will be 123-123-123. If we try to submit our HTML form now, we can see that in start we are able to submit our HTML form. And reason for this is that min and max HTML attributes will not work if you not enter any value in that field. So basically value for that field is blank. If you use any value, for example, if we set this to 17, our validation rules will work. So how we can fix this? So basically we can fix this very easily. For our age field, we can set required HTML attributes. So user will need to enter any value at first, and after that we can do validation. So let's do that. For our age field, let's set required HTML attributes. Let's save our change. So now when we refresh our page, let's try to submit our HTML form now. And as you can see now, we have a validation rule that first we need to enter some value in this field. And when we enter that value, our validations with the min and max will work. So we need to enter value that is in between 18 and 98. So if we try to enter anything that is in between and try to submit our form, as you can see, we have successfully submitted our HTML form to our data processing script. That is our action script that we use for our HTML form. And value for our age field is 78. So age field is name for our age input field that we have set, and 78 is value that we have entered in that input field. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate over PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.